In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable startup programs in Windows 11. And fix today here, let's begin. First, we're going to open the Startup Apps settings, click the Start menu, then open Settings. On the left side, click Apps. Now, select Startup. You will now see a list of programs that automatically start whenever Windows boots up. Now, let's disable startup programs. Look through the list of startup apps carefully. Find the programs you do not want running automatically when your computer starts. For example, you might see apps like Steam, Discord, Spotify, or other software you don't always use right away. Once you find the app you want to disable, click the toggle switch beside it and turn it off. Repeat this process for any other startup programs you want to disable. Disabling unnecessary startup apps can help your computer boot faster and improve overall performance, especially on slower systems. Alternatively, you can also disable startup programs using Task Manager. To do that, right-click the Start button on your taskbar. From the menu, select Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in compact view, click More Details at the bottom so you can see all the available tabs and options. Now click the Startup Apps tab. Here, you will again see a list of programs that automatically start when Windows boots. Find the startup app you want to disable, such as Steam or another program running automatically in the background. Click the program once to select it. Then click Disable at the top right corner, or you can right-click the app and select Disable from the menu. This will stop the app from launching automatically whenever Windows 11 starts. If you ever change your mind and want to enable the startup program again, it's very easy. Simply open Task Manager again and go back to the Startup Apps tab. Select any disabled startup app from the list. Then click Enable to turn the startup program back on. Disabling unnecessary startup programs can improve Windows 11 startup speed and overall system performance. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.